Hello guys, I'm Jared Deo. I'm the one who's going to be with you in today's session. So, welcome to today's session. Today's session is about how to assign IP address to the end device statically. Many times we used to assign IP address to the end device dynamically by using DHCP, but now we are going to study how we can assign IP address to the end device statically. So these are steps that we are going to follow when we are going to assign IP address statically to the end devices. So the first one, we design network topology. The second one is you must have network ID with prefix length. Then the third one, we start with configurations in router, as you know. Then the second one is assigning IPs to the end device. After that, we check the connectivity after we save the work. So also these are syntax or commands that we are going to use in our router. There is no enable, config terminal, interface, where we type interface name, then we do no shutdown, then we type IP address with gateway and subnet mask. So please remember to subscribe on the Farm in order to get more videos. So let's continue with configurations. We are going to use Cisco Packet Tracer as designing software. So guys, as I told you, we are going to use Cisco Packet Tracer as network designing software or tool. So I'm interested in this router of 1941. So also let's pick one switch. After, let's pick any devices. Let me choose one desktop, one laptop with server. So these are any devices that we are going to use. Then we are going to connect our devices. So guys, please remember to subscribe on this channel in order to get more video about configuration and other things. So networking is the best. So after connecting your devices with cable, you must also have network ID. So network ID, here we have it is 192.168.10.0. This is class C with prefix length of 24. So guys, because here we have prefix length of 24, it means the subnet mask is 255.255.255.0. So guys, let me enter in my router, go in command line, then type no, then type enable. I hope all of you know the reason why we use enable, also the reason why we use config. We use config terminal. I hope all of you know the function of it. Then after, we are going to enter in this interface in order to turn it on and to assign on it IP address. So we write interface gigabit ethernet 0/0, then enter. After, we write no shutdown, You see, after we write no shutdown, it is now on. It produce green color. So after that, we are going to assign on it IP address. So we write IP address. There we type 192.168.10.1. The reason why we use 1, because this is going to be the gateway of our network. So we also subnet mask 255.255.255.0, then enter. After, do while in order to save it. So guys, now we are going to check in our end devices. So as you see, in our end devices there is no IP, but we are in a static way. So because we are in static way, it is there the network administrator configure the IP address. So let me configure IP address 192.168.10.2, because here we have 1. This is going to be the gateway, default gateway. This one is going to be default gateway. So here we have subnet mask, that one we have. Also gateway is 192.168.10.1. Then in the next device 192.168.0 node 10.3. Here is 192.168.10.1. Also in our server, we are going to assign it on it IP address statically. It is 192.168.10.4. with subnet mask also default gateway, it is 192.168.0 node 10.1. So guys, as you see, we assign IP address statically to the end devices, because here also we have the option of DHCP. As you see here, when we use on DHCP, they give us a paper because we didn't configure DHCP, we use static one. So we are in a static way. There we configure 192.168.10.2 192.168.10.1 as gateway. So now guys, we are going to check the connectivity if our devices can communicate. So take a message from here up to here. You see it is successful. Also from here up to here it is successful. Also from here up to here it is successful. So guys, after that you remember to save your work. Remember to save your work after done this. So guys, thank you for today.